And I'm really excited that we get to make pie from scratch together today.
Baking is something I'm very passionate about, so this is going to be really exciting.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's get our hands in it.
Intuit QuickBooks is serving up small business success. As a former tennis pro, I always enjoy checking out local businesses around the world. Now that I'm in Los Angeles, I'm eager to explore and support female-owned businesses in the area. So Clemence, tell me a little bit about the Gourmandise School.
So we are a hands-on cooking school, and we teach everything from Thai cooking to chocolate making. We have about 8 different chefs on staff, and everybody teaches their own specialty. But our date nights are probably our most popular classes. We're a scrappy, small woman-owned business, and really proud of it.
Tell me a little bit about the challenges you've had to face as a small business.
In owning a small business, you kind of never know what's going to happen.
By wearing so many hats, we have so many things on our plate all the time.
And so it's just trying to figure out how are you going to approach the different problem and what tools are you going to use.
How has QuickBooks helped you grow?
We use QuickBooks Online to get an understanding of like, where are we with our business and where's the money coming in, where's it going out. It was a really easy system to learn, and so it did help simplify things.
It was just really, really easy to use, and when they send me notifications, it's like, your invoice has been paid. I'm like, sweet.
When you see the growth of this business, I bet you guys are so proud of what you've accomplished.
To be working with such an amazing team of women, especially in such a male-dominated field, I think we bring something so unique to the table in our teaching. To have that marriage of the two is really awesome.
The greatest thing I get to do here is to give people the power to make something at home that really excites them. Teach people, how to use great ingredients, really simple techniques that really changes their life and empowers them.